said, I'm going to be dropping a video on continuation on the ICT trading system. So guys, yeah, like I told you, I've been researching and I've passed through all the stages while coming up with Forex. So let me tell you guys something. See, the ICT trading system was created. Wow! Why was it created? See, it was created as a secret way of cashing out money by these banks. You can understand that from the name ICT, Inner Circle Trading System. It's a strategy that these banks use to liquidate money from the market. So if you're out there and you're wondering how do they do this, I keep hearing a lot of stories in the books. These books, they used to use a lot of big grammars. Let me tell you guys, see, it was initially a secret between these banks to whisk money out of the market with their formulas or trading systems or whatever you want to call it. But you see what happened? Ages passed and what happened? The strategy became popular. Like when this banker gets sacked and the next banker gets sacked, so they begin to make this strategy like popular, like spreading it, because of course these are human beings trading it and you can't remain in the bank for life. So once you get sacked, you're going to share the strategy to your family, neighbors, and what have you. Now these people are going to take this strategy and start using it. And you yourself, as a retiree or someone is sacked or resigned, you want to teach more people on how to cash out. And you still got to collect money from all the souls that you're teaching. And yes, that's how this strategy became so wide and learned by everybody. So in all the ICT books I read from renowned traders and ex-bankers, is that, see, this strategy was gotten from, I've tried the strategy, I ain't gonna lie to you guys. It was gotten from it was coined out from, like I told you guys in the other video, it was coined out from what? The support and resistance trading system. So this ICT program, what did these bankers now do after they noticed that a lot of you guys are doing I've found out a lot about the ICT. What did they do? They do a lot of broker manipulations, trying to fuck out your stop loss and make you lose that trade, to make you understand that, hey, that ICT ain't working. But it's still working. They're just doing it to rig your trades. Some of them publish books that I'm going to call poison, because they put a lot of grammars there. We have the rally stage, we have the accumulation stage, we have the supply and demand stage. These are grammars, these are vocabularies to fuck up your mentality, so that instead of you focusing on price, you start focusing on vocabularies. I want you to understand these things, that these people are here to fuck your mentality up. Instead of you knowing the usual basics and try to analyze the market from that view, they try to fuck up your mentality so much that instead of you focusing on just the practical, start focusing on vocabularies. You have the accumulation stage, rally stage, supply and demand zone, you have the breakout points, the range, and a whole lot of bullshit out there in this book. A bunch of you guys came to me like, bro, what's happening? How do I understand this ICT so much? I want to tell you guys something. There's nothing special about this ICT. There's nothing special about this trading system so much. I want you to know this. This ICT, this trading system, this strategy as a whole was coined out from this support and resistance. Why don't you go there, learn the basics, learn the ABCs, create your own words, just like English was formed from the Latin. I want you to go back there, go back to the Latin, get the basics, learn, create your own strategy, just like I made my strategy and it's been madly profitable. You want me to teach you? All you have to do is go down in the link in the description. Go down in the description, you go and see my number right there. And yeah, maybe in this video I'll be uploading my WhatsApp link and Telegram link, so you can reach me up easily. Now you guys have to understand this. All of this bullshit is to fuck up your mentality. When I see a lot of books putting a whole lot of vocabularies out there, what I'm going to call about Forex and their strategies or ICT strategies, what I'm going to call it is poisoned. They are there to poison your mentality. But my book is so straight. I'm not here to advertise myself. If I ain't going to talk about my books, you want to get in touch with me, all you gotta do is go in the link in the description. Apart from what I've said right now, I'm still going to analyze some markets that we have to watch and foresee and see how it's going to come out in the Forex market. So stay tuned while we go through this.
Alright guys, we're back on the chats. So right now, it's obvious I tampered with this. So I gotta clean it off. So right now, it's a fresh Monday morning. We're about to run some analysis down here. So what I use the rectangles to really get out the analysis. All you need is just areas around the future. Because we are in the intraday traders, what we're gonna do is just intraday movements. I hope you all niggas understand me. So basically what you're doing is just getting the averages. Now what I mean by averages is point A, point B, point C. All you need is just point A and point B. So right here we have point A, point B. So I draw my resistances and it's on its own accord is going to connect to point C. So right now this is point C, which looks like price was about to go up. But what happened at the end of the day? What happened at the end of the day was that price finally tried to break, but finally broke with the Mariposa candle. That's a dominant big ass candle. And yeah, after the breakout, what do we see here? So we can put our vertical lines to really, to lay emphasis on what we saw at that point. So there the vertical lines are. So right now we'll be sliding to the 15 minutes. What I tell, okay, before the 15 minute slide, what I tell my students is this. I tell them that you have to locate the minor resistances on the history and also the minor and the major. So this is the major down here and this is the minor up here. So if we're taking this trade, I'll show you how we take it. We'll have TP1 and TP2. That's take profit 1 and take profit 2. So right here we see where we put this our vertical line. That was after the breakout, the candle after the breakout. So we see a very good 15 minutes. All I call this is this a flag pattern. All right, but I see like a break out of trend line. So this was a bit out of it. And what happened? Let's see, bros. So yeah. What do we see right there? I see like all right. I say okay, whatever happens in the zone is for the zone. So right now we see like a 15 minutes partial uptrend that looks like a flag, a bearish flag. So what we'll be waiting for, we don't want to step into any fake out. So what we'll be waiting for is this. This is what we're waiting for right now. We want price to break below, come back up here, give us a sweet retest, then drop all the way down. Then from this point, you feel me? So from this point, it still gotta break, find it like a bit harder, but still break down. Now where is it breaking down to? It's breaking down to this resistance down here. So that's how this market gonna go. And that's just it right now, guys. That's just it basically. That's just it. This analysis is as fresh as fuck, but let's see. That's what I'm thinking. But if the price happens to break above, then this is the future of what we are expecting to see. So let me draw it out right now. If the price happens to break above and retest, then this is the future of what we expected to see. Yeah. So, but from my thoughts, I feel the market's gonna break below because there's already shown like a valid movement around the side is broken, and yeah, some snipers would have started taking the sell. But let's see how it goes. I feel it's a sell too, but let's really see that confirmation. And this is the confirmation out here. Let me outline it for you guys. So here, right here, where's that nigga right there? So I need to take down some. All right. So this will be the confirmation just right here. That will be the confirmation for the sell. Confirmation. Confirming the sell. Sell C. Yep. During I see. So you see that stuff right there. So that's what's going to confirm the sell. All we got to do is wait right now. And I'm going to show you guys the after effect. By the time it confirms, I'm definitely going to step up in that trade. So let's quickly run through some others. So yeah, I still have this gold running. Okay, we had a better one down here. I still have this gold running. Yeah, I still have the gold running. So this was on my previous video. This was where I really analyzed from. You know, the market just opened, so my trade position got closed. So if you ask me and I re-enter, I still feel this is a big old ass sell. So where my SL gonna be where? My SL gonna be somewhere just little above this nigga right here. My TP just be here. Alright? Right? I hope I'm not mistaken this stuff right here. Anyway, let's see. Was this my alright? I think this was it. I think this was it. But anyways, guys, I'm still gonna update you. Either ways he goes, we're still trying to keep the risk low. But I knew I was making more money than what I'm seeing right now. But what the hell? Okay, let's reanalyze gold because I'm not really getting what I'm seeing right here. I do analyze it in the last charts, so yeah, we're really safe on that. So this was how the analysis really went up. So yeah, so guys, I must tell you guys something. Always remember to take you want to know how to draw these support and resistance. All you have to do is go to the link in the description and we're gonna vibe, bro. So yeah, you guys been wondering, like, I've been getting messages actually, like, how do I get my support and resistance so quickly, and why do I draw all these zones? Yeah, I'm a zoning kind of trader actually. We can see the double bottom right here, but when we slide down to the H4, what do we see? We see something quite different. We see that, yeah, in as much as was it, but we see that price has, retested. So that shows like a dominant bull ass sell. You feel me? So this is a bull ass sell right here. So all we gotta do, and at the end of the day, price is going up. But this was gonna happen. We see like a formation of the inverted heads and shoulders. So what price is gonna do right now? This is the left shoulder, the head. So we see that price is gonna make the right shoulder, and that's where we're gonna be bagging the most. So price is gonna come here, do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of, oh my goodness, a little bit of, break above just to make that right shoulder. Then it gonna break. Ain't gonna go up. Yeah, that's oh my goodness. Oh shit. Sorry guys. So like I was telling you guys, price is gonna do what? Price gonna go up here, break here, come back to retest the heads and shoulder, then move up. Yeah. That's how this whole stuff gonna be like. So now the whole stuff makes sense, yeah, because now this is like the full analysis, the full labeling of the heads and shoulder. So this how the heads and shoulder going, the how the heads and shoulder look like here. So it looks like this, looks like this, looks like this. It's an inverted heads and shoulder though. So if you don't know your patterns, in the last video I posted the patterns right there, so you can check for the heads and shoulder just by yourself, bro. You don't need no help. Just run that shit. Yeah, I said it, bro. I said it. Yeah. So right now, right there, we have just that. So yeah, you see that. That's a dope ass head, and that's it. So let's see where this whole stuff goes through. On the daily, we have like a double bottom that's leading to an uptrend. So on the H4, I see like just the completion of the right shoulder, and we move. So stay blessed, stay tuned, guys. Make sure you keep your analysis not too much, not too big, just something solid.
So guys, it's obviously known and shown that this ICT or whatever, just like I analyze so clearly, and most of you guys call, oh, you're an ICT trader, the way you analyze so clean and all that. No, I'm not trying to farm the ICT. I've come across that strategy. I've seen a whole lot about the strategy, and I must tell you guys, it's related to the support and resistance strategy. You don't know the support and resistance or how to use it. All you have to do is go to the description and go and see my number there, hit me up, and we're gonna slide through, and that's how it works. So guys, please understand this. You have to. You guys have been fucked up a whole times. You have been fucked over. This ICT and all that strategy, they are out here. Okay, just like you want to purchase an artwork, and you're like pricing with the artist that, oh bro, I can't pay $100 for these portraits. No, you gotta reduce the price. Then they begin to bring up some kind of chemicals. Yeah, I'm an artist, I know what I'm talking. They begin to bring, oh, we're going to use 6B for the drawing, we're going to use 12B for the painting. I know that they begin to bring up, and we're still going to spray it so that it's going to shine, and we're going to use C3H. They begin to mention some chemicals that they know you don't know. Now, all that chemicals is to confuse your knowledge. I want you to know this, that these books, some of these books are here to poison your mentality from the usual you already know you have been cashing out with. So all you have to do is go back to your mentor, go back to your drawing board, and do what? Grind on. I've been experienced. I know what I'm telling you guys. You want me to teach you? All you gotta do is go to the link in the description. I won't go work harder. God bless. Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. Put your link. Put your comment in the comment section. The family group is in the link in the description. And yeah, my number is also there. All you gotta do is hit me up. God bless you. Stay.